Good morning, everyone. Hello, I am Sanjay Ramphal and you are watching PPT News. On our channel, you will find the latest and most important news of the district every morning. If you want to get information about every news at the right time, then subscribe to our channel and stay connected. We are always dedicated to presenting the latest news to you. So come know about today's major news. Havan performed on former Minister Satpal Sangwan and wished him a long life. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan took a place to dwell Dadri on his father's birthday. Haryana's former cooperative minister Satpal Sangwan's 83rd birthday was celebrated with the great pomp by cutting a cake at Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan's residence. During this, while the MLA took a pledge to develop Dadri from his father, there was a continuous stream of people congratulating former Minister Satpal Sangwan throughout the day. During the Havan organized during the program, his family members and dignitaries of the area offered sacrifices. Former Minister Satpal Sangwan in a informal conversation with the journalist on his birthday said that on reaching this stage of life I express my gratitude to God. That is, and the struggle made by my parents. His only wish is that as long as he lives, he should continue to serve the society along with the development of Dadri. He thanks to workers who came to wish him on his birthday in the program. The workers congratulated the former minister by cutting the cake along with Havan. MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan took a pledge for the development of Dadri on his father's birthday and said he that will be ready for every possible development of Dadri as per as his father's thinking. People who reached the program wished former Minister Satpal Sangwan a healthy life and long life. Destitute children are being given financial assistance of 2,100 rupees per month. Pension scheme for such children benefit up to 2,100 rupees per month. Financial assistance scheme for destitute children is being run by the Social Justice and Welfare Department of Haryana government. Under this scheme, eligible children are being given a pension of 2,100 rupees per month is limited to a maximum of the children in a family. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that to avail the scheme is mandatory for the applicant to have a certificate of being destitute, birth certificate of children issued by the health department and self-attested copy of proof of residence in Haryana for a period of 5 years or more. As a photo, voter card, ration card and family identity card. If an applicant is not have these documents available, he can give an affidavit of residence in Haryana for a period of more than 5 years along with other proof. He said that under this scheme, those children will be considered eligible whose parents have died. They are absent from their father's house for the last 2 years. Parents have been shut for more than 1 year or parents are mentally, physically disabled. Also, a total annual income of the parents or guardians of the children should not exceed 2 lakh. He also clarified that children whose parents and guardians are receiving family pension under government scheme will not be able to take advantage of this scheme. People interested in taking advantage of the scheme can apply by visiting their nearest Antyodaya Saral Kendra, Atal Seva Kendra and CSC center. Our Constitution, our Self-Respect program will be organized on 25 January with the aim of honoring the contribution of the founders of the Constitution of the country. The program, our Constitution, our Self-Respect, will be organized at the district level on 25 January. This campaign, which started on Constitution Day 26 November, will for the whole year. Giving information about this, Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that various types of activities will be organized as per the program to make the general public aware about the purpose of the Constitution. He told that this campaign started from 26 November 2024, Constitution Day this year. He told that 24 January various activities of students will be organized in all educational institution. Along with this, instruction have been given show the Constitution documentary to the students in the educational institutions. Apart from this, awareness activities will be organized by the Rural Development Department on the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution. He said that the purpose of the programs to be organized under the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Constitution is to reiterate the basic values enshrined in the Constitution of India, inspire citizens to play their positive role in strengthening democracy. In this series, 15-day program will be organized from 14 April 2025. Swabhiman Yatra will be organized to promote the contribution of Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Meeting today regarding preparations for district level Republic Day celebration. A meeting of all the office heads of the district will be held on 8 January regarding the preparations for the program to be organized on Republic Day in the district. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma will preside over the meeting. City Magistrate Ashish Samant said that a program will be organized on the occasion of Republic Day on 28 January, for which a meeting will be held on Wednesday under the chairmanship of the Deputy Commissioner. Officers of all departments will be present in the meeting. Officials held problems in Samadhan camps. The organization of Samadhan camps is proving to be a milestone milestone in solving the problem of the lives of the common people. Citizens are continuously coming to the camps with their complaints, and their complaints are being resolved by the district administration. In the Samadhan camp, SDM Naveen Kumar and CTM Ashish Sawan heard the complaints of the citizens. While hearing the complaints with seriousness, he instructed the officers to take immediate action and resolve them. He given instruction to resolve the complaints in the Samadhan camp within the stipulated time period, so that the citizens do not have to face any problems. He said that the inculcation of the citizens told the Samadhan camp is increasing a lot. Every day the citizens are reaching the Samadhan camp with their complaints. Thank you for tuning in and watching channel PPT News. If you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay updated with the latest news. Your support means a lot to us, and we are committed to bring you the best news every day. Stay connected, and we will see you in the next update. Have a great day.